cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong? Would it be right? If I took my life tonight, chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight. And I'm contemplating suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. I never realized I was spread too thin, till it was too late and I was empty within. Hungry, feeding on chaos and living in sin. Downward spiral, where do I begin? It all started when I lost my mother. No love for myself and no love for another. Searching to find a love upon a higher level. Finding nothing but questions and devils. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Nothing's alright, nothing is fine. I'm running and I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying.
Willie and Billy back here again with another episode of AWF Ambush. And guys, if you missed the Blizzard Bruiser,
Golly.
he's back from Alaska. His plane landed last night. And from what we've seen, him and the former associate have been pretty buddy-buddy over the last few days.
Listen, I don't know if we're running a wrestling federation or
Uh-huh.
a gosh darn daycare. Because, I mean, these two running around, they're gosh darn doing pranks on everybody. I don't know what's going on, Willie.
Yeah, well, the Blizzard Bruiser, despite stealing the AWF World title, which he did do, he has yet to win a match or even be competitive in a match
I mean, but
in the AWF.
did he steal it, though? I mean, he kind of won it. I mean, it wasn't official, but,
Did he pin Jay the Steel?
I mean, but he knocked him out.
And he did knock him out.
Close enough.
Well, he has a real test tonight.
Wow.
And the man facing him has a real test as well. You see the referee from last week?
Yeah.
He turns out to be an associate of Donnie Lowe.
Oh, this is some blasphemy going on here.
Yeah. And it seems like him and the Blizzard Bruiser are going to have a match tonight.
Well, I can't wait, because tell them what they got to do, Willie.
They got to stay tuned. As you folks know, this is big for two of our younger superstars, two
Yeah.
of our newer
I
superstars.
mean, we didn't even know. I thought he was the ref man.
This is an important match for their two futures.
Wait, can we just say his name so they know?
I don't know his name.
You know what? I guess they got to really stay tuned for that one.
That's right. Stay tuned.
Yeah, get him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. My turn. Watch this.
Oh! Ah!
I got you.
Ah!
I got you.
Yeah. Now that you are not under the association of Donnie D. Parker's Low, what's your name gonna be?
I don't know, man. I don't know. You got something for me?
Yeah, I got some ideas.
Okay. What's up?
The Alaskan Fluffy Puppy.
Oh, I like that one. I don't know. It might be a little too long though. You got something else?
The Snow Goblin.
Oh, that's a little shorter. It doesn't seem impactful though. Give me something else.
I got an idea.
What's up?
Me, you, tag team. The Blizzard Bruiser and the Frosty Fighter.
I don't know how I feel about that, man. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah.
No Frosty Fighter?
I'm not really feeling Frosty.
Have you ever been to Alaska?
I haven't. You can take me.
Can you teach me some wrestling moves? The mixed martial arts do not work in the AWF.
I can walk you through a little bit, just a little bit.
Be named the Frosty Fighter then. For one match.
One match?
Yes.
We'll see.
Okay. music off. My friend, the Frosty Fighter, was attacked by that referee man. I don't even know his name. But my friend, Frosty, has been showing me the new wrestling moves. So referee man, I want to fight you right now. Get out here. Frosty is my friend.
You want to fight me?
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
I just want to let you know that was your biggest mistake. I come to take this company by storm. In the palm of my hand.
Let's get it on, man. Will and Billy back here again as the Blizzard Bruiser takes on the referee.
The referee. I mean, I think his name is Key Gunner.
Oh, Key Gunner.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Key Gunner is showing some wrestling ability right now. And look at the Blizzard Bruiser taking a headlock.
I mean, I think the Blizzard Bruiser can make anybody. Anybody look good, but
Oh, this is the clothesline there. And
where do we find his referee again?
I don't know, but man, he's wrestling better than some of the wrestlers.
Hey, I mean, I don't know about all that, but like he's got some moves.
Hey, you're darn right. He might be wrestling better than the Blizzard Bruiser.
I mean, anybody can do that with.
Oh, big old belly to belly suplex. Good Lord.
Golly, I'm surprised that didn't rattle the room.
And you know the Blizzard Bruiser has been training with the associate, but it's only so much you can do in a couple days, you know. Years of wrestling training. Oh, the Blizzard Bruiser just getting picked up.
Feet of strength. I mean, just flexing on him.
Picked up and put down. And what's Key Gunner thinking now? Oh
My! The athleticism.
but the Blizzard Bruiser able to get out of the way. His instincts are getting a little better.
I mean, he has been,
Oh! Blizzard Stunner! A Blizzard Stunner!
a what?
A Blizzard Stunner!
Wow, that's one cold stunner.
And I'll tell you, the Blizzard Bruiser must have been watching some Stone Cold Steve Austin tapes.
I've been doing something. What?
Look at this.
I know this position.
He's
No.
been watching some rock tapes.
Don't you dare! Put the glove.
Oh! And look at the Blizzard Bruiser taking off. Uh-oh. Oh! Key Gunner got him. Oh, we might be off the road,
roll
folks.
through.
Roll through and a
Bang!
big old lariat. Good Lord. 1, 2, 3.
That's all she wrote.
See you later, Blizzard Bruiser.
And don't hit me with the glove again.
Hopefully the Blizzard Bruiser gets some more training there with the associate.
If he survives.